guys, Miss Rock here. Today I'm going to continue with our story, Adventures with Peppa. And I'm going to go to the next story. If I look at the table of contents, the next story is called Nature Trail. I wish it gave us a page number, but it does not. So luckily, Miss Rock used a bookmark. So I'll turn to the next page, and it's called Nature Trail. Peppa and her family are going on a picnic in the woods. Daddy Pig has the map. We need our picnic basket too, says Mummy Pig. But the picnic basket is still in the car. Uh-oh, the family's going off for a picnic. But the picnic basket is in the trunk. In the woods, Peppa sees something on the ground. Look down there, says Peppa. I see footprints. What kind of animal would make these kinds of tracks? I'll give you a hint. It says tweet, 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 tweet. Peppa and her family follow the footprints. A bird made these footprints, says Mummy Pig. So they're following the tracks. Look, up in the tree. Look up there in the tree, says Peppa. I see some birds. There is a mommy bird and 3 little baby birds in the tree. So here's the family looking. And there's the nest with the baby birds. Looks like Mama's trying to feed her babies a worm. Then Peppa sees more little footprints on the ground. So here's some teeny tiny little footprints. Look down there, says Peppa. I see some ants. Oh, she's using her binoculars to see the tiny little ants marching along, carrying leaves in their mouths. Peppa and her family are hungry. They need to eat, but the picnic basket is in the car. Daddy Pig looks at the map. I don't see the way back to the car, he says. How do you think the family feels? They are hungry, but they're also sad because they left their picnic basket behind. I know, says Peppa. I see our footprints too. We can follow our footprints back to the car. Oh, look. So they were walking this way, and they left little footprints just like the bird and the ants. So Peppa solves the problem and says, let's follow our footprints back to the car. Peppa's a good problem solver. Uh-oh. Then it rains. The rain takes all the footprints away. Oh no. I'm not sure how they'll solve their problem now. I know, says Peppa. I see some ducks over there. Ducks love the rain and they love picnics. We can follow the ducks back to the food in our car. Maybe the ducks will lead them back to the car. Let's read and find out. The hungry family follows the ducks all the way back to the car. And then the rain stops. I love picnics in the woods, says Peppa. The birds, the ants, and the ducks love picnics too. So it looks like the Peppa family was so excited to get their picnic back that it looks like they're sharing with all the creatures they saw. on their walk. Well, I hope you liked that story. Miss Rock misses you so much. Bye, guys.